Well, hello everyone. This is a quick overview about the WSE Manager. Um, so here I am at the start page of the program. Uh, Here you can see we have disk space information, Wowza connection information, bandwidth information, the server information in a graphic. We have also the Wowza information. Uh, we have connection information, the server, that is hardware information, your accounts and resellers information, and the applications. So that's all you're gonna see in the home on the first screen. So let's move into settings. We have general settings and resources. So general settings. So at here you're gonna have mostly all the information you already filled when you were installing the WSE Manager, like the company information, email for alert and response, one's information, that is the IP, the admin and user password information. We have the FTP information here, so you can change between Pro FTPD and cPanel. We use port 21 as a standard, but you can also customize it. We have also the theme that you can upload an image and change the WSE Manager logo for something that you think looks better. So the resources. So we have two kind of resources. We have the system and we have the Wowza resources. So the system resource is a video converter that you can change the simultaneous conversion quantity, the conversion rate, if it's low, faster. And we have two Wowza features that are the recorder and the transcoder. So the recorder is a free feature. The transcoder is not. So you will be charged by additional amounts for each application you do use. So that's why we put the link here. So here are the resources. You toggle it on or off if you're gonna let your users to use those two features. So servers. Here at the servers tab is about the Wowza license, so you can check if everything's running okay. So you can check it if you're online or not. You can toggle it on or off. You can restart it. So that's it. Moving to logs. So logs is historical log about what's going on with your server. It only displays errors. You can also customize it and add other informations you want for your Wowza server to display it. But basically it's just for errors. So let's move to applications. Alright. So here in applications, you can see all the applications that are currently running. You can deal with them individually, or you can check all you want and do actions like start, restart, stop, and delete. So let's just see the application, the add application screen. So when you're gonna add application, you're gonna see this screen. So you're gonna fill the informations you want for your application. You're gonna choose a server that will be Wowza streaming engine, and you're gonna choose the type of application you need. So, but remember, this is just an overview. We're gonna have other videos explaining it better and doing a step-by-step for these actions. So, moving to statistics. So, here in statistics we can see basically three things. We can choose a date, we can see a graphic with the access history, and we can see a list with the quantity access of each application individually. You can also change in the graphic access history. You can change the range of days you want the graphic to display. You can at the calendar you can select the date, the specific day you want, or more than one, and that's all you're gonna see at the statistics. So customers, let's move there. So here at customers you have it's all about account managing. So you're gonna imagine in the accounts you have like super admin, administrators, resellers, and users. They differs from each other based on configuration level, access. So super admin have a higher access, users has the lowest. So if you want to add an admin, you're gonna fill this information, you're gonna have this screen. Again, there will be another video explaining that. So data transfer. So data transfer is a feature used to move information from one account to another. So imagine a user had just created another account, a new account, and they want to move their previous information from their older account to the new one. So that's what you do. You come here, select the previous account, move to the new account, and that's done. Plans. So plan is a very important thing, because remember the resources. That is a very important thing about them. So here you can see all the plans that are registered. Okay, you can edit, you can delete. All right, but plans are important for one thing. It's the only way you can add features like the Wowza features, the specific, like the recorder and the transcoder that I said previously. The only way is you create a plan, you define limits to them, and define what resources that plan can use. Now you define the application that it's gonna have. So that's the purpose of making plans. Now when you add a plan, you're defining limits to the application. You're defining which features it can access or if it cannot access. So you're gonna fill informations of your plan. You're gonna choose a plugin, a resource, and confirmation. So but remember, there will be a step-by-step video further that will show you exactly how to do this. So moving to backup and restore. So backup and restore. We have database and Wowza settings. So in database, you can export and import. You have the settings and the methods for it. And you have the last backup. There will be a list here listing the last 10 backups you have here. So remember that only the last 10 backups will be stored. The other ones you have to deal with separately. Here at Wowza settings, you can compress your data and export. You can select files or folders or all of them and compress into a file, name it the file, and we have also the last backup. So the last backup, it works the same ways for Wowza settings and database. It will only store the last 10 backups. You have to do something separately with the other ones, download them or find another way. The integration. So when you click here in new integration, what is it all about? Well, integration is a feature, so to give more freedom to developers and administrators to create their own features. Like they come here, put a name, a description, and a status, and paste a code here like a script for support chat. So they can create features from that. That's the purpose of it. So and here we have the license, the WSE license informations, that is in what name it's registered for, the status of the license when it expires, the domain, and the IP. And it's just information about it. It's pretty neat. Well, I believe that I give you a quick overview. There will be further videos explaining each actions. I hope you guys like it and keep on watching. Thank you for watching this.